Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given: solve the simultaneous equations. Yz is equal to 2 into y plus z minus 6, zx equal to 2 into z plus x minus 4, and xy is equal to 2 into x plus y minus 1. So here to find x value, y value, and z value. We have to find x, y, and z. So here, if you take so those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. So those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. So your subscription is very, very important. This is a new channel. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem. Can you solve this problem? If you are not having any idea, you can continue the video. You can get the solution. So if any suggestions are there, then also you can give. Given yz is equal to 2 into y plus z minus 6. So here you can write yz is equal to, or you can write yz is equal to minus 2y minus 2z plus 4 minus 8. So here you'll get 12. 6 2s are 12. So you can write a plus 4 minus 8 means 8 plus 4 will get 12. So here you can take common y into y minus 2 minus 2 into z minus 2. So here z minus 2 common. So here also you'll get z minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So here y minus 2 into z minus 2 is equal to minus 8. This is the first one. First one you are getting like that. Second one, if you take zx is equal to 2 into z plus x minus 4. So you can write zx is equal to 2z zx minus 2z minus 2x. You can write it as plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Total will get minus 8. So 2 into 4 8 plus 4 minus 4 you can write here. So you can take z common. Z is equal to x minus 2 minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So you can write it as z minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So this is the second one. If you take the third one, xy is equal to 2 into x plus y minus 1 now. So you can write it as xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 2. So this is the logic here in this. So here 2 minus 2 only will get. So here plus 4, okay, minus 2 will get 2. So here you can take common x common, y minus 2 common, y minus 2 is equal to 2. So y minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 2. So here let it be 1, let it be 2, and this is 3. So 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3, what will get? Y minus 2 into z minus 2 by 3 value, y minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 8 by 2 will get minus 4. So y minus 2 cancel. Now 1 by 3 into 2. Second one we are multiplying z minus 2 into x minus 2 is multiplied with the second one. What is second one? Z minus 2 into x minus 2. So here minus 4 into minus 4 will get. So x minus 2 get cancelled. Z minus 2 whole square is equal to 16. Z minus 2 is equal to root 16. Z is equal to plus or minus 4 plus 2. There will get two values for Z. Z is equal to 6 or minus 2. 6 or minus 2 will get. Z is equal to 6 or minus 2. In the same way, if you take 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, what is 1? Y minus 2 into Z minus 2 by Z minus 2 into x minus 2. So here minus 8 by minus 4, you will get a 2. So Z minus 2 cancel. 1 by 2 is multiplied by 3. So here y minus 2 by x minus 2 is multiplied with 3. Y minus 2 into x minus 2. X minus 2 cancel. Here 2 into 2 you have to multiply. Y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Y minus 2 is equal to root 4. Y is equal to plus or minus 2 plus 2. So here also you'll get y value, two values will get. One is 4, the other one is 0. Now how to find x value? So replace z value into what will get? 6 minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So x minus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 4 minus 1. Now if you write z value minus 2 minus 4, here z value 6, z value minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 4. X minus 2 is equal to 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 2. X is equal to 1 in this case. So here x is equal to 1 plus 2. X is equal to 3. Therefore, we are getting the solution of x value. Okay, x value here, first case, the solution set will be 106. And the second solution is 3, 4, minus 2. 3, 4, minus 2. So these are the solutions. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.